Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can group and ungroup your elements or items in Canva. Grouping and ungrouping will help you arrange your elements or items in a specific way, ensuring they are perfectly positioned. For example, this is the logo design I'm working on right now, and I will demonstrate this here. So, if you want to group your text items, simply select those text and elements. If I want to group just these two objects, I select them, and here is the group option. Or you can just right-click and select the group option available, or press Ctrl-G. To ungroup, just click on that grouped section and choose Ungroup. If I want to group all the text elements or items, just select them and group them. And if you want to ungroup, just click Ungroup. This way, once you group them, you'll be able to move all the grouped items or text at once. If you ungroup all the items and text, then you will be able to move each text or item individually, like this. So, that's a simple process for grouping and ungrouping your items or text in Canva. This is a quick tutorial, and if you have any questions or confusion about this video or other Canva videos, please comment below. I will answer all your questions